Hi everybody, Attorney Nicole Whipp here, and I am the principal attorney and the founder of the Family and Aging Law Center. Today, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about this question: elder law or estate planning? What's the difference? I wanted to talk about this because this is a question that a lot of people have. It's a little bit confusing about what elder law really is. So that's what I'm here today to discuss with you. But before we get into that, one of the things that I'd like to have you ask yourself is, do you think that elder law isn't for you because you're not old? Well, I want to challenge you to think again, because this thing that we call elder law really is for you starting at least in your 40s, maybe even a little bit earlier. But here's why. I'm going to explain to you why that is. When we're talking about estate planning, generally the question is, well, what happens not if, but when we die, right? What happens when we die? What happens to our stuff? And so that's what estate planning is seeking to address is, okay, if I die, what's going to happen to my stuff? Or when I die, not if. So an estate plan answers the question that if you have assets when you die, they're going to go to the people that you want it to go to, your intended beneficiaries. But what an estate plan does not do is it does not ensure that there are going to be any assets left. I mean, the fact of the matter is in today's world, you are not guaranteed to have anything left at the end of your life. And so that's what elder law is really about on a lot of levels, is what happens if you don't die, you don't just die, but then you need care. What I mean by that is, in today's world, you don't walk out the door in the morning and say, I think I'm going to have a stroke today, and then keel over and die, right? Well, first of all, you don't plan on it. And then secondly, people don't just die. I mean, people survive for a long time from a lot of things that maybe 50 years ago they would have just died from. And so in today's world, you might not just die, and you may need care. In fact, we know lots of people that are in that situation. And that's what elder law is really all about. And it's also about who will help you, okay? Who will help you make decisions when you're not able to make those decisions for yourself. If you get sick, if you are in a coma, if you are getting surgery, who knows, right? Who's going to make decisions for you about your money, about your health, about any of those things? Who's going to help you get care without you going broke, right? Because this is the thing. We all know in today's world, and healthcare is constantly a topic, and the expense of healthcare is constantly a topic. And so I know that you know that healthcare is expensive. But what I also know that you don't know is how expensive it is when you need care in this kind of scenario. It's way more expensive than you can probably even imagine. And so for that reason, families are very often blindsided by this. And that's a lot of what we're helping to do, is deal with that unexpected cost and get away from this idea of going broke. We're also here to help your family stay out of court, because there's this thing, it's called probate during your life. And it happens when you don't have a proper legal plan. If you don't have a proper legal plan, court is inevitable. And we want to avoid that, right? We also want to ensure that you are not a burden to your family. Without a proper legal plan, you will be a burden to your family, whether it means that because they have to go to court because you didn't take care of your legal documents for the care things. All of these issues that we don't like to think about very much, they're very unpleasant, but are all too real. And so if we don't have a good plan, we can become a burden to our family, even if our family loves us very much and they're very willing. And for most of us, that's not what we would wish. So who is going to help you? Well, my answer to that is a great elder law attorney is going to help you. But you need to start planning now. This is the thing, right? Elder law seeks to address and plan for your care during your life, okay? It is something that, when used properly, we can help save or protect your assets even if you need care right now, today. It's a lot of times people will tell you, oh, if you haven't taken care of that already, it's too late. That's not always true. And in fact, in our office, we can help you even if it's happening right now. Mom's in the nursing home. She needs care today. We can help. And so that's what elder law is helping you do. We specialize in protecting your assets during your life and help you navigate what we call the crisis healthcare system. And we call crisis healthcare is when you need expensive care right now. You need nursing home. Mom can no longer go home because it's not safe for her to be there any longer. Those kinds of things. And it's expensive. Care is needed now. That's crisis healthcare. We're going to help you navigate that because it is very stressful for families, and there's a lot of conflicting advice out there. So we want to make sure that you're getting to the right place and you're making the right decisions. We also can help you obtain assistance for long-term care costs. One of the things a good elder law attorney does is has a very wide range of knowledge about what benefits are available to families and are going to help you access those benefits when they are needed. And a lot of times those benefits are doors that have been closed to you by other people. An elder law attorney is going to help you open that door. And really, from my perspective, and this is something that's very personal and true for me that I always talk to all my clients about, is that elder law is going to help you retain control. Because this is the thing. When you run out of money, you've lost control. You don't have options anymore. We don't want you to run out of money. You don't want to run out of money. And that's what a good elder law attorney is really going to help you do. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need help or you have questions, give us a call.